Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford E-250, 2002 to 2008? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2002 and 2003 Ford E-250 houses fuses that protect various interior electrical components, including the radio, interior lights, power windows, and dashboard controls. It supports diagnostics and maintenance by clearly labeling circuits. The fuse ratings are matched to specific systems to prevent electrical overloads. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2004 Ford E-250 control circuits for interior features such as the audio system, power door locks, instrument panel, and lighting. It uses color-coded fuses for easy identification and maintenance. Each fuse is assigned to a specific circuit to help isolate electrical issues efficiently. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2005 to 2008 Ford E-250 manages electrical protection for systems like the climate control, power windows, audio unit, and interior lighting. It features standardized blade-type fuses for quick replacement. Clear labeling and fuse ratings aid in identifying and troubleshooting electrical circuits. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2002 and 2003 Ford E-250 protects high-current systems such as the fuel pump, ABS, ignition, and cooling fan. It uses maxi fuses and relays to handle larger electrical loads. Each component is clearly marked to support quick diagnostics and service. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2004 and 2005 Ford E-250 supports key systems like the PCM, fuel pump, starter relay, ABS, and headlights. It contains high-capacity maxi fuses and relays designed for heavy-duty circuits. Clearly labeled slots facilitate easy identification and troubleshooting of electrical issues. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2006 to 2008 Ford E-250 manages high-power circuits including the PCM, fuel injection, starter, cooling fans, and ABS. It includes maxi fuses, mini fuses, and relays tailored for engine and drivetrain components. Organized labeling ensures efficient diagnostics and maintenance. The instrument panel relay module in the 2004 Ford E-250 controls functions, such as the battery saver, accessory delay, and interior lighting. The engine compartment relay module in the 2004 Ford E-250 manages relays for critical systems like the fuel pump, PCM, and cooling fan. The instrument panel relay module in the 2005 to 2008 Ford E-250 controls functions, such as the battery saver, accessory delay, and interior lighting. The engine compartment relay module in the 2005 to 2008 Ford E-250 manages relays for critical systems like the fuel pump, PCM, and cooling fan. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.